Every second you spend chasing venture capital, you're signing a contract with hidden chains. You think you're getting fuel for your startup's rocket, but in reality, you might be handing over your freedom piece by piece. You're feeling the pressure already, got your hand out for investment, but inside, a storm brews, loss of control, endless noise from investors, conflicting advice that pulls you apart. You're drowning in calls, meetings, and demands that have nothing to do with your vision. It's maddening. You created your company to change the world, but suddenly, it's not your dream anymore. It's theirs. Here's the brutal truth. Venture capital isn't just money. It's a maze of subtle traps designed to shape you and your startup into something the investors want, not what you want. You've started risking your autonomy, the very soul of your business, for a shot at growth. Every term sheet, every share given away, every board seat surrendered chips away at your ability to steer the ship. Investors may seem like allies, but often they become silent dictators, dragging you toward a horizon you never chose. Frustration turns into anger when you realize your passion is traded for a seat at a table where you don't truly belong. And don't get fooled. Those value-add investors, sometimes they're the worst. Their advice isn't gold, it's obligation. They demand participation in endless networking events that devour your time but add no real value. They pressure for growth at the cost of sanity, forcing you to chase arbitrary metrics that inflate valuations but bury your real mission. It's a trap that steals your energy, your focus, your creativity. You burn out chasing benchmarks set by people who don't understand your business as you do. But here's how to break free, how to fight and win. Stop thinking of capital as just cash. It's a currency of control. Protect your autonomy fiercely. Negotiate not just valuations, but governance. Demand clear limits on investor control. Insist on maintaining the final say on critical decisions. Structure your terms so investors are partners, not overlords. Build a board that serves your vision, not their egos. Be militant about who joins your inner circle. Choose only those who bring clarity, not noise. Lean into smaller, smarter rounds over giant checks that come with strings longer than the Nile. Use capital like oxygen, just enough to sustain your progress, not suffocate your independence. Diversify your funding sources. Don't rely on a single deep-pocketed investor. Crowdfunding, revenue-based financing, angel syndicates, they're not just buzzwords. They're tools for staying unchained. Remember, the fastest way to lose your soul is to lose control. Surround yourself with a tribe, not just investors, but fiercely aligned partners and advisors who serve your mission, not their portfolios. Seek mentorship from founders who survived the venture capital maze without losing their spark. Learn to say no with brutal honesty. Not every dollar is worth your dream. Your startup is an act of rebellion. Don't let it become a puppet of someone else's play. This is war for your vision. It's raw, it's relentless, but every cut you take is a lesson in survival. The secret? Own your destiny fiercely, like life depends on it, because it does. Venture capital can kill startups from within, but it can also fuel legends. The choice isn't out there, it's inside you. Now step forward, armed with clarity, courage, and a refusal to be anyone else's pawn. Take the power back. Build your future on your terms. Own it all or lose it all.